Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video I'm going to show you the demo Vardhman City Center website. And friends, I must say this is the website demo, not official site. The demo I have made for you to quick look. And friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel. And friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Contact us page. In this page, you get my email ID, WhatsApp number and Upwork ID. I am a full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services and projects, e-commerce, admin dashboard and so on. And back to Vardhman City Center demo website. And friends, if you want this kind of site and so on, real estate, then feel free to contact me anytime. I'm fully available. So here's the demo. Let's go. See guys, beautiful top section. See, info section, the social icon, book bill site, and the main nav, company logo, nav bar, download brochure. And now let me show you the beautiful hero section. See guys, invest in Vardhman City Center, retail shops, commercial spaces in Ludhiana and landmark, destination offering visibility high, footfall and outstanding investment potential. See guys, just beautiful. About the project, see, commercial spaces, see friends. Scroll down, see how the animate works. Why investment Vardhman City Center? Some info you will get. Premium and design for business success, see friends. The whole effect. I'm sure you like it, and hit the like button and subscribe my channel as well. Number the define excellence, see friends. Prime location, section, contact us form and info, and now footer section. Scroll to top as well, and I must say this is fully sponsored. And friends, after it I will come with more demos, and if you want this kind of project, then feel free to ping me anytime. I'm fully available. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.